Once again, welcome to my channel. Now, if you have been on the Telegram mini app for some time, you would have heard about Yescoin. At the beginning, there were so many arguments on which is the best, which is this, which is that. But see, this is the original Yescoin, totally certified by Ton. Now, this coin is simple to get. It's different from other coins. This one, instead of tapping, you swap. You swap. As you can see, you swap. Now it's just a swap. It's very easy to play. Hit the treasure, you swap like this. It's as simple as ABC. Swap, you swap and swap. Now you can as you can see, I have a bot that is already buying for me. You can buy your bot here under build. You can buy your bot under build. Let me go back there. Here, click on build. You can buy bots here under build. So I've already bought, so it's helping me out to build. And of course, you can see I bought it here. You have to buy it with I think it's 1 million if I'm right. And I bought it here. You buy the bot here. If you want to increase your level, you can increase your level with more coin. So now also, if you want to get more points faster, use the full recovery option. Also use the chest option. Also, you can take advantage of the multi-level, increase your level. You can take advantage of the coin limits and so forth, and so on and so forth. Now let's go back. Now, how do you play this game? Is very easy. As you can see, I was just swapping. It's nothing as difficult more than that, just to swap. Then also, like I always advise people, once you enter a new Telegram game, go straight to the end or the tax or the quest side and do the necessary things there. So like, you can, let me go to end now. So every single day when you log in, now they've already connected your wallet. My wallet was connected already. Now when you log in, you have daily tax, daily learning tax here, and you will get points if you learn. You just click on it, you will get points now if you learn. So you click on it, hello sub, you learn. Today's learning proof of stake means that the network and stability is maintained by a set of network validators to keep validators honest. They are normally required to put their stakes at stake. So just click on get. Then you click on the icon, then you claim. It's as simple as that. So then you have gotten 4,993. So every day you check in and do the daily tax, you get points. The point script is increasing per day. So you go back, and of course, like you all know, all these games, you need to look at the other tags here. I'll do them after now. Yes code, retweet, and all that. Just go through it, explore. And guys, that is it. Yescoin is really huge. Ton is fully behind them. This is the original Yescoin rather. Don't miss it. So guys, on to the next video. Bye for now.